Hey guys, welcome back. So we're in Norcal today. Very exciting race cars. Driving Thunderhill today and tomorrow. Very exciting. Been wanting to come up north for a while, so I'm super excited. Brought the Z4 out, ready to go slow. So yeah, thought I would update you guys. We drove like 12 hours yesterday to get here, and now we're here and we're doing the thing. So my session's in like 10 minutes. I will catch up with you guys after. So gone out for 2 sessions, just had lunch, ready to go out for my 3rd. My timer is not working here, so I'm just using the transponder that they have here. So I don't know my times at this point. I'll look later in the day, but yeah, otherwise I'm just getting ready to go back out right now, and yeah, really enjoying it and really enjoy this car, so I'm having a good time and that's what matters. Say hi, Cooper. Okay, so we are here at day 2 of Thunderhill. Very exciting. Yesterday we ended on a 132.6, so pretty hype with that because spent the day going faster, which is awesome. And yeah, now we are going counterclockwise today, so I'm pretty pumped. Z4 is ready. So I'm heading to the driver's meeting now, and then we'll be good, and pretty much session starts right after that. I mentioned earlier, and the car feels pretty solid. I have roasted an O2 sensor between the last track day and now, so I've had a check engine light this whole weekend for it, which is great, love that. Otherwise the car feels really good. Started the day off with a 132, no complaints, and yeah, hopefully we can find some more time, but it's a little bit warmer and now the ground is dry compared to yesterday, so we will see. Now we're gonna go watch Max in his E36, who's been super helpful and letting me ride along in his car and pointing out the lines to me, which has been great. So yeah, I'll show you guys his car. Yeah. Okay, so there's one last session of the day, which I'm probably gonna end up doing just because one, such a far drive to get out here. Two, we're gonna hit a bunch of traffic if we leave right now. So, gonna go ahead and do that. Did go faster in my last session, so that's cool. And then when I was finally on an even faster lap, I hit a bunch of traffic, so that was a bummer. But no big deal. Hopefully we can find that time in the last session, but we will have to see. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Session, took a shower, and I'm super stoked. I went a little bit faster, ended up hitting that 131, so I'm super happy with that. Look at this gorgeous sunset, beautiful. And yeah, now we are all packing up and ready to make the trek home. 10 hours, 12 hours more or less in the car. So yeah, the E85 is being awesome for those of you that actually care about it. Towed 12 hours up here, great. She's gonna tow 12 hours home, even better. So peace out guys, that is a wrap for Thunderhill, and I will catch you in the next one.